Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and somebody posted on Facebook that they're going to have to do a plaque or something that's going to be done every quarter. So they're going to have to, I apologize, I didn't want to take the time to make up different names. So Bill Smith and Ted Heaton and David Smith are win every quarter. But anyway, first of all, if you're going to do this, make sure you draw a red hairline around your plaque and then do a test every time you put it back in the laser to make sure it's, lasers can get off alignment. I might even go a little bit further and, do something else. Maybe even, you could even, couldn't really do that with a plaque that you're gonna have to put back in there every time. But you could definitely run this with your red dot pointer and your door open, and it'll trace that line. Now, it will not hit these lines because it's on the edge of the page, but you'll be able to watch it. And I normally would take a block of wood and have a block of wood next to the, butted up against the laser, and that way I can see the red dot. If it's off, if it goes down in the vector grid, you can't really see it, but if you have one there and there, you can watch it go around. But a couple of people have already answered the question. Let's say you just added these names. So this is what your plaque looked like before. There's first quarter, second quarter, third quarter. But you need to add these names, but you don't need to print these names on this other one. So there's a couple ways you can do this. One, and I don't know about all lasers, but inside of Epilogue's, and I apologize, I don't have a laser, you can just select these and just engrave these. When you go up to the print driver, it should have a selection. If you don't have that, it may be even a safer way, and somebody's already suggested this, so we're gonna go to Windows, Dockers, and Objects, and you see all our artistic text for all 12 names. So what you could do is you could go down here and start a new layer. So this will be layer 2, and you could select these, hold down the shift key, select these, grab them, they're all highlighted, and move them up to layer 2. Now right here on layer 2 is a print. You see that line across? These will not print, and these will. Hope that kind of made sense. You could actually not show them, but that doesn't really matter. But you could definitely have it not print. But like I said before, the way I would do it is just select these and have it print these. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.